Welcome back everyone. Ever wish you could keep watching YouTube while replying or message or checking something else? You are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to enable picture-in-picture on YouTube with a few simple steps. So you can multitask without interrupting your favorite videos. Let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app on your phone and also make sure your app is already updated to the latest version. Then look for the bottom right corner and tap on the U tab. Once you are in the profile page, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to open the settings. Within the settings menu, scroll down a little. Here find the playback option, tap to open it. Within the menu, look for the picture-in-picture option. Right now this option is turned off by default, so turn it on first. After it's on, simply return to the home YouTube page menu. Open any video if you watch them. For example, I am watch it. After that, if you are using gesture mode, simply swipe the gesture and automatically check your video not stop. This is playing. Now you can use another app such as I am use Telegram, so open Telegram, also watch this video, and that's it how you can easily enable the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.